Today, it's not only about leadership and management failure. It's also about the political turmoil, which induces a lot of handrails to the industrial world, often fatal for hundreds of thousands of corporations worldwide. Are classic MBAs outdated? Yes, they are. Will Instagram promises giving you full knowledge of MBA for the price of a lunch replace them? No, they won't. Why? First, becoming a master of business administration is not about knowledge, it's all about understanding. Second, understanding is a real life thing. Understanding how to fly a plane, what flying is, you cannot learn online. You must fly the plane, you must feel the forces down to your bones. Only then you can react instinctively, right and on time. The real business world doesn't give you time to study business situations. This is why we do only on-site classes, university or corporate on-site classes, to give you the lean MBA essentials. A kind of MBA martial arts course to teach you how to react quick and right.